free jet ski I got. Good boy, Sammy. Good boy. I didn't even know you were there. Yeah, I took sandpaper, sanded all the rubber. I'm recovering the seat on this 93 Seadoo. Good finished product. Alright, I have got the hood painted blue now. I painted it white, but I didn't like the way that looked. I thought this looked a lot better. It matches the rest of it. And paint these little wings down here. They're like all kinds of colors. I need to get the stickers off. Got all kinds of weird. I guess I could just get replacement stickers. And I got hand grips on it. Right there. Off a bicycle I had. And I made a video of me cleaning up the rubber baby bumpers along here. But my phone crapped out a couple days ago, and I took the SIM card out. My son gave me another video, or another phone, an extra phone he had. So basically I took sandpaper, sanded all the rubber little bumper door guard, whatever you want to call them. I need some more along the front here, but it was all crunchy looking. I did it all the way around. I put back to black on it. It's like a vinyl protectant, you know, like Armor All, but supposedly a lot better. I think overall it looks pretty good. And I'm gonna try to, got a battery, some fuses. I need some fuses in there. I'm gonna see if I can get it started. It says it needs a 5 amp and a 15 amp over here. Okay. Now there's some crud down in here. I want to clean out with the vacuum cleaner. Clean that off. Got back from taking my daughter to college class. She's only 14, but they let them go start college. She wants to have an associate's degree before she finishes high school. She's just now starting high school. Okay. This is super clean right here. This company sent me this. Actually, it does pretty good. Not bad. Same thing over there. Have to put it way down in there. Here's Sam. He's down here helping. Hey, Sammy. Sammy, you gonna look? Sammy? Hey, you gonna help? He says, dang it, I am. Good boy, Sammy. Good boy, I didn't even know you were there. All right, you good kitty. What this goes to? Yellow wire. Maybe that's the whole secret. Let's figure out where you go to. All right. Couldn't get it started. It didn't even turn over. It's got a new battery in it. And the back side is pink. I just want to show you all that.